I'm thinking of making something out of acrylic, and I'm thinking of making something for Valentine's Day, and I'm thinking of changing the word love that you're looking at now and making it a Shona word and say ndinokuda, meaning love. And let's see how it goes. 3-axis is my go-to place for all my laser cut vectors, and free pick is my go-to place for all my flowers and backgrounds and other inspiration. But if I'm looking for something that's laser cut, already designed in a sense, I come to 3-axis. Free pick, yes, but not as much. I was searching on free pick before, and what I was looking for was for premium membership. So because I'm not a premium member, I couldn't download any, and the ones that were free, I really didn't like them. So I came to 3-axis and I found these 2 lovebirds on a tree branch, and I like them. So let's download, and then we go to Coral. All right. So as it's downloading, done already. Since it's done downloading, let's just open it up in Coral, and here we are. So what I'm going to do, since I am using pieces of acrylic that I have left over, and this is just a sample, it's not an order, I am measuring the piece of acrylic that I have, and then I'm going to make my background the same size as the clear acrylic that I already have. And this here, I'm going to cut on black acrylic, and I'm going to make my heart red glitter. The red glitter, my heart, black acrylic for the 2 lovebirds and the word love, and then clear acrylic for the background where my 2 lovebirds are going to sit on. It's a challenge because I have to break apart this design that I have downloaded. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so according to it was 25 centimeters across by 27 centimeters that I measured. So we need to reduce the size of our lovebirds, because this here, my white frame, is going to be my white acrylic, my clear, acrylic, not white acrylic. And then I need my birds to sit just in the center of it. And now for the tricky part, I need to break my bird apart, remove the word love, and type in ndinokuda instead. So to do that, we are just going to double click, and when you double click, you can see that we now have these nodes. And what I normally like doing is I want to join this node and this node together to create my heart. Almost broken up, almost broken up. And then I'm going to bring this down to there, and that one down to there, and I'm just going to maybe realign that. So now, as you can see, I've got 2 pieces. I've got my heart here. Let's break curve apart. I've got my heart right there on its own. Just go back there, and then I've got my birds, and then I've got my love. So I want to remove the word love from this. So let's just join this together, put that back, and I'll lock it so that I don't keep on moving it, right? And then I want to remove the heart. That's going to be cut out of the red glitter that I stuck on top of clear acrylic, just like what I did with the black glitter on my previous video. And then this, we are going to combine this, and then we are going to go back into our nodes. And from here, I just want to join the pieces together. This node, I want it to go there. This here, I will remove. Okay, so we've now got this one piece, and let's break this. Let's remove this part as well. Let's see if it will remove. Let's delete that. Yeah. Okay, and then my bird, I had the tail, put that back together, and then we want to remove that part, we want to remove that part, and then we want to join these. We've got our tail for the first bird, and then the second bird, we want to put our tail and join it together, and then I want to remove part of the word love, and then we want to join that, and we've now got this piece left to remove, and we want to join that too. And we go back, right click to break that apart, and my word love has been removed. See, I now have my bird, and then we are going to join these together so we make it one piece, and my heart is right there. It's going to come back down here like that, and then we go to our text tool and we type out Dinokuda. And I really want this to be nice and bold. I don't want it just to sit below here. I want it to be something that's prominent, that means a lot to somebody, because it's more about the word I love you than the birds that are sitting together. And so let's see if we can just make this uppercase. And what do you think of that? I want you to picture this. Okay, so let me just smart fill that. This here is going to be in black vinyl or black acrylic, my apologies. And then this one is going to be with the red glitter. Where's my red? Okay, see if I can fill that in red like that. And then the word Dinokuda, what color should I make that? I think it's going to be very pretty when it comes together, isn't it? I might have to reduce, let's unlock that. I might have to reduce the size of my acrylic to make it that big a frame for it to make sense, right? I think this is going to be nice. So we are going to do black acrylic here, black acrylic there, and then our glitter in red, maybe like that. Yeah, I like that. So let's save that. We will go File, Save As. I need to go into my Your Girl in Zim folder and videos, and I'm going to put this as samples. And we are going to put Love Birds. And we are going to save that. I like that. So now that I've got my outline of the type of template that I want, I now need to break it up into the different sections. So I need to break it up into clear acrylic, I need to break it up into black acrylic, and then I need to break it up into the glitter acrylic. So to do that, I just create another page by duplicating this one and copying the layers over to the next page. So now that it's come to the second page, what we do is I'm going to name the second page Clear Acrylic, because I just want this outline to stay so that I know that's what I am cutting. And then I will duplicate it again and copy my layers, go back to my clear acrylic, and then remove that, because I am going to cut this here on the clear acrylic, which is going to be used as the background for my lovebirds. And then, because I've done that, I'm removing that box of my clear acrylic from page 2, and then I am going to rename this black acrylic. And then I'm also going to duplicate it into a third page, go back to my black acrylic, and then remove my red, my heart. That's going to be cut on black acrylic. I go to page 4, I remove my blacks, and then this is going to cut on red glitter. And let's remove the black behind this because we adjusted our heart. And then I want to go back to the first page, and I'm going to duplicate this as well. And I think I'll remove the clear acrylic because I made an error, and I am going to outline this because I need my clear acrylic to kiss cut this frame to make it easier for me when I'm gluing everything together. So what I want from this is outline, so I remove the backgrounds and I just leave my outline there, and this is how it is going to kiss cut on the clear acrylic, so I know where I am placing my words. Okay, so this, I changed the color to red. The kiss cut, I changed the color to blue so I know what I am doing. And then we're going to rename this to clear acrylic. We have our template, guys. Let's now take this to laser. I'm super excited. So this is the part where I speed things up so I do not bore you to death. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. We will continue to do more samples. We will continue to do clients' orders. And as I promised, I hope I'll be able to release a video at least once a week so you can see the crafting process. Thank you once again for sticking by, guys. I will see you next week. Bye bye.